Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to look at how to perk up your garden with banana peels. Of all the various household things you can throw at a plant, banana peels are probably the most important and most valuable because, as you probably know, they contain potassium. And potassium is a critical ingredient to helping plants grow healthy roots, healthy leaves, healthy fruits. They're just incredibly wonderful. So basically there's three different kinds of ways to use banana peels. You can put them in a compost bin and let them break down naturally with other things you mix in a compost bin. You can chop them up and put them in some water. You want to do about 2 to 3 banana peels per gallon of water. Let it sit in the water for about 3 days and then pour that water out onto your plant and then refill the thing. You can actually get about 3 different servings out of those banana peels. Or you can kind of do what we're showing in this video, which is just chop them up and throw them directly on the plant. So if you're going to do the chop them up and throw them directly on the plant, you want to make sure to chop them into these little small pieces, about the size of a quarter, because they will break down a lot faster. It's also helpful if you throw them in the side of a plant hole, not just right on top of the plant. So if you're planting a new plant, like we were with this tree, we just chopped it up. I was snacking on this while I was waiting for the tree to get placed, and we just threw them all on the side of the planting hole. Now, say you have existing plants you want to feed. You can still do that too. Again, chop it up into these small little pieces and throw those on top of the soil, and they will eventually break down. Now, I do recommend that you put some kind of mulch and dirt on top of the banana peels. Otherwise, you may have some pests and gnats and issues that are going to start bothering that while the stuff breaks down. So if you put some dirt on top of that, soak it in, it'll break down even faster. So again, banana peels are really great things to just add some vigor to your garden. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.